Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 ways that how do we transit the Van Cleef bracelets into a necklace. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. As everybody know, I have gold with diamond Van Cleef 5 motif vintage Alhambra bracelets, and I also have a vintage Alhambra necklace in malachite. You can use any type of the vintage bracelets and also any color of the vintage necklace in order to make this happen. The first style is, first of all, let's connect the bracelet hook to the necklace ring. So this is the first step. Okay, and then the next step is that you have to actually put it on, and then you have to put the necklace hook into the bracelet's ring here, like this. Now this is the first way of wearing this. It's very pretty, isn't it? So this is how it looks like. Do you like it? If you feel like this is set too low on your body, you can actually hook it to the shorter ring on your necklace. Okay, like so. Now it will sit higher on your body. This is how it looks like, this way. So going to the next way, it's very simple. Let's get the spring out. Let's get the hook on the bracelets, which is already on the bracelets, and then you hook it up with the ring on your necklace. So you have 2 rings. Okay, here you go. So you put the ring on your necklace and also the ring on your bracelets into one necklace hook. So now it will look like this. If you're wearing a V-shaped shirt, this is gonna be a great addition to your outfit. If I close by, it's like this. And if we move back, it's like this. Okay, the third way to wearing this, if you want to wear a really short style, like a choker here, you can do that with these 2 combinations as well. The first thing you want to do is that you can hook the necklace together. So you have your necklace hook with the ring, like so. So you have your necklace here. And then the next, what you're gonna do is that you have to connect it with your bracelets ring. So the ring side of your bracelets, you hook with the necklace hook, like so. And then you get your necklace here and with the ring. So the next you want to do is actually put on your neck to hook it with both of your necklace chain. And now you can wear it as a choker, like so. So pretty, isn't it? This is the way that you can wear as a choker. Very pretty. That's all about it, guys. If you like this type of video, if you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.